Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to fix Snapchat to an older version in Android and iOS. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. Now, I will go to this website, up to down. I will put link in description. Look for older version. I will use this APK for my Android. Click to download. I will go to my phone, open the APK file and click to start installing. For iOS, I will go to this website, AppCake. I will put link in description. You need IPA file for iOS. I will look for older version here. I will click to download. Caution: do it at your own risk. You can also look for IPA in other websites. Download in IPA file in your phone and click to extract. Once done, install it. Or you can look for tutorials how to install IPA file. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos.